Hello.
What's going on?
I'm Selena.
Yeah, I'm Demi. And this is Marsha.
She's
Say
our
hello.
set teacher.
Hi, everyone.
She's our teacher, and she's really cool.
So basically what we're going to do is we're going to tell you about a little video that was challenged to us. I think the girl's name is, what is it? Allison Stoner. Yeah. Hey, Allison, I hear you challenged us to a dance-off, but you know what? We're going to let you off easy because
We all know who would win.
we know who would win. I mean...
You would win, actually.
No, we had experience on Barney. All she had was Missy Elliott videos. So,
You know,
shut up, Marsha.
we danced in Barney, so
We did. So, and did you not see me on Camp Rock? And did you see her on the clip of the Cinderella story 2? Did you not see her tango dance? Come on, Allison. You
don't
teach
know.
classes, and
know.
we take them. So, we... Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to challenge you to...
Oh, we haven't really decided what
We haven't really decided yet. Well, when we figure it out, we're going to get back to you.
Allie.
We're going to challenge it, yeah. How about a freestyle? How about a freestyle rap?
No.
You turn that now. How about how many shout outs you can do in
No.
I don't really know.
Hey, how about this? You send us a video back saying what you want to do. And
Yeah.
we'll do it.
Since you're gonna challenge us, we're gonna challenge you to challenge us.
Oh. And overall, hi Allison. We love
Hi,
you.
I love you. I miss you so
Yeah.
much. I will see you at DC Games.
you.
Yeah.
And me too.
And so basically, hope you're
Ready for the challenge.
yeah. Goodbye.